Hi guys, this is Bridet. I just thought I'd share with you something we do with the Shine group. It's called the Zimbabwe Hand Jive. Basically, each hand movement represents a food group. So for example, fruit and veg, you should have as much fruit and veg as you can hold in two hands. Okay? The next one is the size of your carbohydrates, which is things like your baked potatoes, your pasta, your bread, and it should be the size of your fist, okay? So on your plate you should have a baked potato that size, and remember it's your fist. The size of a portion of rice on your plate should look like that, and the size of a portion of pasta should look like that. The next one is the proteins, which is your meat and your fish. And basically, if you're having a nice Sunday roast dinner, the portion you should have on your plate is actually the size of the palm of your hand, which is that bit, so the palm of your hand, okay? If you're having a ham sandwich or a ham salad, if you have the wafer thin ham that you get or the wafer thin chicken, you can have 3 pieces of that. That's your portion size for that. For your cheese, your dairy product, the amount of cheese that you could have on your plate is 2 fingers worth, so that's 2 fingers worth, okay? And if you grate it, it goes a lot further, and if you have stronger cheese, that goes a lot further too, because you don't need as much. The next one is the size of your butter or oil that you can have, and that should be a thumbnail's worth. So that's your thumbnail. So the size of your thumb should be how much butter you have on a sandwich, on your toast, and if you're frying anything, that should be roughly what's in the frying pan. So basically, the movements are fruit and veg, carbohydrates, your protein, your cheese, and your thumbnail. And if you want to make it into a little dance, that's absolutely fine. Then you can incorporate your movement with it and a little bit of exercise. But it's just an easier way of remembering your portion sizes without having to use weighing scales or cups or whatever. Hope you enjoy trying it out. There will be a written explanation on the web or on the Facebook page, and there are going to be some recipes on there. I've done a recipe book for the Shine group, and all the recipes on there are healthy. They are correct portion sizes for people, but the only thing is they are for a family of 4. So remember, if you want to cook for 4 people, that's fine. If you're cooking for yourself, you can either cook the amount and store it and freeze it, or chill it for about 3 or 4 days in the fridge, or you could just divide the ingredients by 4 and do it that way. Hope you enjoy having a go at the recipes, practicing the Zimbabwe Hand Jive, and remember to stay safe and look after yourselves, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.